Apple, your crunchy and sweet friend from the orchard. Let me introduce myself and teach you how to spell my name. I'm spelled Apple. That's right, Apple spells apple. I come in different colors like red, green, and yellow. Each color tastes a little different, but we're all delicious and juicy inside. You can eat me fresh or have me in pies, juice, or applesauce. I'm not just tasty, I'm super healthy too. I've got lots of vitamins and fiber that keep you strong and feeling good. So next time you see me in your lunchbox or at the store, say hi to Apple and remember how to spell my name, Apple. Enjoy! In the orchard, trees so high, apples gleaming in the sky. Red and green, a juicy treat. Pick one now, it's good to eat. Crisp and sweet from branch to hand, apples brighten every land.